Hello guys, welcome to Soft Coding. In this video I'm going to show you how you can show a toast message to a user. A toast message is a short message to showing to a user that a task is completed or something is wrong in our app. So we will notify the user by a toast message. We can set the length of our toast message short or long to show the user. Okay, so let's start. Let's create a new project. Select the empty activity and name the application toast app and click on finish. Okay, here we have a text view, so we will change it to a button. When we click this button, the toast will be shown, and we will give an ID btn show toast. Okay, and change this text to show toast. Let's create a button here, button btn show toast and we will set a click listener to this button. Set on click listener, new on click listener, and we will pass a method here show toast. So we have an error here. This is because we don't define this method right here. So private void show toast, and in parameter we will pass a string and name it message. Okay, so to show a toast or to create a toast message, we need to write toast, and as you can see here, the second option is create a new toast. So we will enter, and this is the context of this activity. You can give it as main activity dot this, and here we can pass the message. So here we will pass this parameter to this text message, and from here you can pass your string message here. Okay, so we will pass it to hello Android developers. Okay, now let's run our app. So as you can see, we have our app. So click on the button, and you can see a toast is shown here, hello Android developers. So as you can see, we have set the length to short. Let's change it to long and run the app. No, it will take some more time than before. Okay, so click on button. As you notice, it taking more time than before because we set the length too long. Okay, and those you can pass a message directly here. We create a new method for this to easily pass a message, or you can create a constant toast method in your entire project, and you can call the short toast method, and whatever message you want to show, you can pass it in parameters. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial, and please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends.